How to find your Discord ID. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find your Discord ID. For this, launch open the Discord app on your device. If you don't have this app, go over to Play Store or App Store and then you can download it from there. Now make sure to sign into your account. If you want to find your Discord ID, the process is very simple. All you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Here, scroll down and find the app settings section. Tap on advanced setting. Now toggle on this option of developer mode. Once this mode has been activated, you want to head back. Now basically open up any server and tap on the general option. You can also open up any DMs if you want. Now here tap on your profile icon, then tap on these three dots. Here tap on the option of copy user ID. Once you have copied this, you want to head over to any Notes app. Now paste what you have copied. This right here is your Discord ID, and in this very simple step, you're able to find your Discord ID, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.